Hello, I'd like to show you the AVCAD Translator. The AVCAD Translator is an add-on for a CAD that helps to redraw a block to an AVCAD block. Okay, let's get started. First, let's load AVCAD Translator.dll after installation. Please see the description under the video to understand where it is located. The add-on has two commands. First is the single command. Using the single command, you can redraw a single block. Use the single button for the translation of a block. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Use the Enter button to skip a step. Use the Enter button to confirm the selection of ins, outs, and their descriptions. Use the Multiple button for the translation of numerous blocks. You'll need to set the precisions. Please note that values are selected experimentally. Precision X01 means the difference in the X positions between sysname and the manufacturer's model's attributes. Precision Y01 means the difference in the Y positions of sysname and the manufacturer's model's attributes. Precision X02 means the difference in the length of the connectors. Precision Y02 means the difference in the Y position of the connectors. Choose a block with numerous connectors. Use the Multiple button for the translation of several blocks. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Use the Enter button to skip a step. Use the Enter button to confirm the selection of ins, outs, and their descriptions. If a result is unsatisfactory, you'll need to choose other values, or you can send samples of your blocks to us, and we will select the required values. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any questions.